What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your Technoboy, and I'm on the terrace right now. So I'm making this video at night because at the daytime, we are having the heat wave, so it's not possible to make any videos outside. So today I'm gonna unbox and check this pressure washer from Asian Paints. And this is very wonderful thing. The high pressure washer, you can see that's a 1800 watt and 120 bar, and with this washer you can clean everything. You can clean your, what to say, dirty outside floors, terrace or whatever, car, bike. Even you can clean your ACs, air conditioner. So this is a all-purpose washer, and that's why I bought this thing. So let's unbox this thing and check it out. So at the top, get this instruction manual. Here you can see car washing. So this all you get. That's the washer, and that's the outlet hose. We're gonna check it out. The length, I think it's pretty good enough. And that's the inlet pipe. Some people say that so thin, but I don't think it's that much thin pipe. It's a quite durable one. So, but if you need, you can buy this one from a local hardware store, pretty cheap. All right. These are the mounting unit, and if you use a bucket, that's for the filter. Now this is the handgun. And this is the extension pipe, and that's the, what to say, foam container. Everyone says this is useless. We're gonna check that out later. And that's the washer itself. Let's check it out. Oh, it's pretty heavy. All right, smell nice. Oh, good. You get a 2-pin plug point, and oh, that's the motor at the bottom. This is the inlet, I guess, and that's the outlet, I guess. So I'm gonna check it out. This is the switch, on-off switch. It's fully covered, so water cannot touch the switch and all. So pretty nice. Here you can see the pressure gauge, and here some instructions are there. Voltage 220 volt, power 1800 watt, flow, water flow 7 liter per minute, pressure 120 bar. So that's it. Oh, too heavy. And now let's connect this thing up and check how this thing works. This thing is to mount to the tap right there. Well, I'm not going to use the tap. I'm going to use bucket of water. So I'm going to need this one on this thing, one side of this. So on the other side, you're going to mount this one first, and mount the pipe here, just like this, and then tighten this thing up. Okay, now let's pull this thing, go inside, just like this. It's all fitted now. So one side is ready. Now let's take this outlet hose. Okay. On one side, right here. And as per the instruction, it is saying, and mount this one to the outlet pipe. Okay, it's completely tightened up. And now let's turn this thing on and check it out. So here is connected and the pressure is full. So now that thing is off, and when I press this one, the gun, then this thing turns on, and when I lift this thing, then this thing turns off. Oh, let me show you that. Okay, right, now let's mount this pressure nozzle. Alright, now let's check the power. Whoa! So you can see the pressure, it's amazing powerful. So that's it, that's all for today. And the power, this thing is pushing me when I press the handlebar. So that's it, that's all for today. So in the next video, thanks for watching, bye bye.